Nang kang King Zo, King Zo, I'm feeling the music, man. Kating lai ruka, CHAMRENG ting ASIN. Woo! Love you all. Lura, CHAMRENG ting ASIN. Woo! Okay, hello Mizo people, Nordic people, peace from Africa. Welcome everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. So this is your African boy Gabs, guys. So today we have one suggested music video from Taitea, guys. So previously I reacted to both Taitea and RSA, guys. So I got few of music suggestion from this amazing artist, guys. So today I choose to react to the lyric of the song, guys, instead of watching the music straight up, because you know there is no English subtitle, and I'm really also so curious to sing, because you know how it feels like when you watch or react to a music video that you don't understand. It will be boring for me, not for you, I think, because you know the language, right? So I choose the lyric version so that I can read. I also want to learn few words of mizo language, guys. So thank you so much for all the support, guys. We are left only with 4 to 5k to hit 1 lakh subscribers, guys. So kindly share the video, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet part. Love you all. This channel basically is for Northeast people, for vlog and reaction. So today we have the music title is CHAMRENG ting ASIN. So you can tell me what does it mean, guys. Let's go. Taitea fan, join now, and after this I'm also going to react to RSA, guys. Love you all. Let's go. CHAMRENG ting ASIN. Let's sing now, okay?
Nangehi ni nangehi kalungdung tu nangena lendun hun kangapele kating lai tiklim turan lohin rao kariyan tudang re kangelo limten ilendung obya tudi lanse kanwange itrang bechungin tingsang nise.
I'm getting it. Nise
Kamay se asinas Adu bering trifovante Anang ang tingso Tudang reng atong nongehelitina Katinlay ruka CHAMRENG ting
ASIN. You CHAMRENG ting ASIN. Let's go. Lên đồn huntur chu katireng ting ting ayang semo kadong long kru. Oh, I'm your African music singer. Lama mawin na Zonet min halanga tinlay ruang
tudang reng ay biglovin limte aleng dunin kumkuang at
It's so beautiful, man. This guy sounds so good. Ting ASIN, nung gawang RENG Nang King Zo, dagang belong ilay katilay rupa CHAMRENG ASIN, CHAMRENG ASIN. You get it? Tell me, what does it mean? CHAMRENG ASIN. This is so beautiful. Now I can sing a mizo song. CHAMRENG ASIN, CHAMRENG ASIN. Don't turin kalong che limte lendun putia tumi nang poerin o takin lo bella Reng na che si asin kadungal reng ti che nang kang king zo chagaran kano I'm feeling the music, man. Kating lai ruka, CHAMRENG ASIN. Woo! I love you all. Laura, CHAMRENG ASIN. Woo! Wow, today I enjoyed the mizo song. This is the first time. This is the first time for me to enjoy the mizo song, guys. Like especially for the local one, because oh my gosh, it used to be so complicated when I react to it, guys, because I don't really get it. Like it sounds good, the beat, the expression. When I watch RSA, I watch Taitea, they really look so good when they sing, guys. And the vocal, how they sound, oh my god, this is really so touching, it. But today I felt it, guys. I felt it emotionally, and I even physically, guys. That was so beautiful. I don't understand it, but I just enjoy it, guys. Just tell me the name. CHAMRENG ASIN. CHAMRENG ASIN. CHAMRENG ASIN. CHAMRENG ASIN. What does it mean? I only want to know that, and I can just guess. Can I guess? This can be maybe a love song, because how this guy is singing, and oh my gosh, when he take the sound so deep and so loud, I feel like this is a love song. But you can tell me, you know it, right? Thank you so much. I can't wait to react to RSA. Let me check which song am I reacting to. RSA, I can tell you the title from now. We are going to react to RSA. Yes, the RSA song that I'm gonna react next is Ao Conte. Yeah, that is the song. You can go and watch that out. Yeah, love you all. Peace from Africa. Kindly, guys, subscribe and share this. Love you all. Till next time. Bamba Club.